Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can get a new card in Monzo. So let's start. So if your card is lost, damaged, or stolen, you can easily order a new one. So just go to Home icon on the menu bar, tap the Freeze button under your Monzo card, tap the Replace button under your Monzo card, select the most appropriate replacement reason for your circumstances. Now, if your card's been stolen or you've seen transactions that look fraudulent, please make sure your card stays frozen until your replacement arrives. So you can tap the Home icon in the menu bar, tap the Freeze button under your Monzo card, tap the Replace button under your Monzo card, and tap I've been a victim of fraudulent or theft. So there we have it, guys. This is how you can get a new card in Monzo. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.